maaga akong ginising ni Jan. Ayun yung view natin today.
Smiling faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then, how could you now? A part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes that you...
Good morning! Dito na kami sa car. Good morning, kids!
Good morning!
And hindi pa ako tapos gawa ng orasyon ko sa aking katawan. Wala pa tayong cushion or concealer. Pero kapag skincare ako and hindi ako nakalagay ng lotion kasi minamadali na ako. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon, yung L'Occitane. Ang ganda niya, guys, and then ang bango-bango. Ay! Ayan na yun. Kunti, halos almost half na. Kasi si Holly gumagamit din ito. And minsan si Sak. So, lagay lang muna tayo. Ayan lang, pinaman. So, 2.5 hours daw ang biyahe natin papuntang Queensland. Pero yung mga bata, mga damit talaga, kaya kami pupunta doon para sa kanila. Kasi kailangan na talaga nila ng damit. Lalo na yung boys. Kasi si Holly, nabibilang ko naman to sa Zara, sa Seed. Pero yung boys kasi, sila na talaga sila na nagpipili. And mas gusto nila yung mga surfing brand. Like Rip Curl. So dun, marami doon. May dala kong jacket. Ano sa tuhod eh. Just in case malamig. Parang blurry.
Look in the mirror and find me a window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice. Gone before you ever know. Gone before you ever know. Trying to think of something clever, or just any word, but there's a lot of it inside a head. If I knew how, I'd let you have it. In the halo of the street lights, stomach turning like a rerun. Lucky girl, he's so attentive. If only you had tried to let him know.
Gusto tayo mag-ayos. And kanina, ang foggy tapos umuulan. Tapos ngayon naman nag-clear up. May sun ulit. Lumabas ulit siya. Gusto kong suotin yung binili kong choker na pearl. Nakalimutan ko yung earrings na ilagay. Nilinisan ko kasi yung ating earrings. So nakalimutan ko siyang ilagay. Ayan, choker. Yung ating freshwater pearls. Si Holly nakatulog. Yung kilay ko, ewan ko. Kasi bumpy. Kanina na nagli-lipstick ako. Napunta dito yung lipstick kasi bumpy siya.
You got me overthinking here where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you?
Ayan, lagay ko na. And gustong gusto niya yung buhok ko kasi super shiny. ko na yung protein, yung hinol ko sa inyo. After ko siyang planchahin, nilagyan ko nun. Ginanon ko lang. Para tayo basta ang ganda niya, ang lambot niya. Ang bango niya din. Sabi niya, I like your hair. Gusto talaga niya ang mahabang buhok. Tapos pag ganito, shiny, straight. Diyos ko, gustong-gusto niya yan. Ginagano niya kanina. Okay. Sana wag umulan sa sa Queensland. Wala pa naman tayo sa Queensland. Pero dito kasi ang pangit na ng weather. Kung umalis tayo, maganda yung weather eh. Sa Yamba, magandang weather. And may dala rin ako. Hot kasi nga akala ko magiging sunny doon. Kasi mas magandang weather daw doon. Pero hindi naman. Well, we'll see. Dala ko to. Kaya yung green. Ito yung aloe na may mesh. Ayan. Or etong green. Series ang ano nito, ang brand. Series Life. Ayan. Parang sikat siya dito sa hindi ko alam sa Australia, pero sa Yamba parang sikat siya kasi meron naman silang bagong nilabas, yung red. Nakalagay kasi doon nung duman ako, sabi niya, new arrival. Tapos marami akong nakikitang may bumili. Ano ba yung bagay? Green. Ganda rin yung green. No? Kuya, which one you think? Nagising kasi. It's alright, but
I went like that and I hit my finger. I said the elbow there.
you didn't mean
I didn't mean to.
Nag-stop pala kami dito kasi si Jan nag-toilet. And si Kuya, pinapapili ko kung anong mas bagay sa akin. This one? Green?
Try the other.
Try the other one. Pero parang maganda yung green. How about this? Which one? This one? Mas gusto to ni Kuya. So we'll see. Maganda rin to. Pero parang mas gusto ko nga yung isa. This one? I think? Si Kuya naka-hat din. Show your hat, yeah. Ayan. Tingnan natin mamaya. Tapos mag-shade tayo. Wala pang sun. Ulitin natin yung green.
Did you bring apples?
No, I didn't. I should have. Masarap yung apples, the little one. Yeah, masarap yun.
No, I have one on.
Okay. Welcome to Queensland. Dito na tayo. Nakapasok na.
First exit.
Nakapasok na tayo sa
What, where that blue
Queensland.
one's going?
Yeah.
Si Kuya yung nagna-navigate kay Johnny Boy. Siya yung naka-assign sa mga directions. Kasi ang mas okay si Kuya kaysa sa akin.
Oh, that's not the roundabout, but you go in that one.
Magaling si Kuya sa mga directions. And meron na lang tayo ditong 5 minutes. So magta-transfer ako dito. Outlet tong pupuntahan natin. Tapos sa Surfers Paradise, hindi siguro tayo makakapunta kasi tingnan, ang pangit ng weather.
The first one, exit.
Tingnan yung weather.
This one here.
Yeah. Left. First exit.
Left. Oh, ang dami ng tao
Left?
dito.
Yeah.
What's this one? Is this office work?
Well, that's not it, is it?
No.
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 It's akala niya doon na yung
I can't see McDonald's yet.
And at the No,
Got
we
turn
have to go to
right.
another. Yeah, at the roundabout.
Turn right.
Hinahanap yung
And
McDonald's
then the
kasi
car park. Look.
Right.
malapit doon yung pupunta
Yeah,
natin.
Mac is right there.
Yeah. Hungry
Nakita.
Jack's it was.
Hungry
Alright.
Jacks.
KFC.
Hindi Macas. Nasaan?
Turn right.
Yeah, over there. See it?
Is that the one, the Volcom hut? No? Ayun, McDonald's nga. Ayun.
Oh, that's right. Remember Toyota went there. Where is it? Up here.
Here, Han. Drive-thru. Open.
No, Rick Hill outlet store.
Ayan, punta tayo
Oh,
dyan.
we've got specials too. Holy.
50% off store wide.
Oh, store
That's
wide,
what I
Han.
like to see.
50% daw dito, guys. Oh. So, pinalitan natin yung SD card kasi yung isang SD card mayroon pang space. Ayan, nilipat ko na dito. So, yung first vlog nito nandito. Pinapaalala ko rin sa sarili ko kasi minsan hinanap ko, nasaan yung isa nito? Nasaan yung first vlog? Andun na sila, nauna na. Pinapakuha ko kay kuya yung ating denim kasi malamig. Tingin tayo dito. Sabi ko hindi ako magsha-shopping ng damit. Ayan, 50% off store-wide. Tingnan nyo yung una kong nakita dito, wetsuit. Binila ni Jan si Holly siya kasi kuya. Yung kay kuya nasa 300 plus yun. Ito 429. So 50%. Pero mura pa din. Kuya. Han. The wetsuit. See? 50%. 429.
So same price.
No, you got TJ's 300 plus. Holly was 200 plus. Stop annoying me. Naghahanap na. What's that? Let me see. Let me see, Holly. Let me see. I think it's big, Baba. Oh, I think it's big. Look at this, Baba. Oh.
Should have waited.
Napaalis na rin tayo. Yun naman siya. Okay, what the kids? Where's the boys? Tingnan mo yung, ito yung outfit natin, guys. Oh. Yeah, Baba, this is nice.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking.
This is 1 to 2.
I can wear it as a crop top.
This is 1 to 2, Baba. Okay, hanap muna kami.
I have this.
I know, you do. Meron siya nito, nabili ni Jan sa ano, dun sa amin. This one, Baba, you need this. Okay. I saw Zachary's polo.
Where?
This one. Di ba meron nito si Zach? Magkano to dito? Oh, this is Kuya. Oh, nandito yung mga damit ng mga bata na nabili sa Adelaide. Wala na. Oh, dito 50%.
This green one.
Yeah. Magkano na lang to? Huwag na natin tingnan kasi sakit lang. Sakit lang. Magkano?
Those are clothes that short.
How much is this, Kuya? Can you look, please?
It's
How
a
mu-
size 12. Size 12.
How much?
$30.
$30? Na before.
59.
59. Oh, binili to ni Jam 59. How about yours? How about yours, Yan? Same?
Yeah.
59. Oh, $30 na lang.
Mom.
Yeah. Come on, find
These
your...
are clothes that's
Oh, you
optional.
got this one too, Baba.
I have that.
Yung mga damit ni
Mom,
Holly
this is a cute
nandito.
dress.
Yeah, but you still have lots of dress. But I want you to get shorts.
I do have shorts.
Eto, mayroon kasi siya
These
nito
are all
mga...
dresses.
Yeah. Madami pa siyang dresses eh.
Oh, Mom, look at them.
Oh, look at that one.
No, that's what I said.
Oh, cannot reach that one.
Look at them.
Huh?
Cute tops up there.
Gusto niyo mga crop top, guys. Crop. Oh, this is TJ Zachary shorts.
Yeah, Mom. Can I get this?
What's that?
It's like
Tube?
Yeah. But I need to get bigger. I need a bigger size.
This is size 10. This is big. This is size 10. You're size 8.
Mom, it's supposed to be like a dress.
No, it's not a dress. It's a tube.
Oh, it's just a tube.
Yeah, that's like a tube.
Okay. We got them.
Andito yung mga shirts ng mga bata. Meron nito si sa $50. So, 25 na lang siya. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Is this TJ?
3 years ago, right, Baba? Binilan din namin siya ng same. Ayan. Wait, let me see, Baba. Yang tongs na yan. And ngayon, yan ulit ang gusto niya. May diamond siya dyan. Ayan. Same. Ibang size nga lang kasi yung isa maliit na sa kanya. Si Kuya nagsusukat lang doon. Meron na siyang nakuha dito. Ay, hindi to. Baba, hang your clothes, please. Eto, nakuha na ni Kuya. Napili niya na yan. Si Sak hindi pa nakakapili. Alam niyo naman to. Siya yung matagal. Libot lang siya ng libot. Yung dalawa meron ng mga bit-bit. Oh, ayan, kay Holly. Si Kuya. Yeah, that's nice. I like that one. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. How about here? You have to look here, yeah. Kuya, you have to look in here if it's tight. It's alright. Try that one. Si Daddy. Ito, oh. Wala lang. Relax lang siya. Meron ako nakuha para kay Holly. Kanina pa ito, paikot-ikot dito. Do you need hot? You got lots of hot from that, you know?
Mom, what one do you like better? Because Dad likes this one. This one?
The blue. Ah, you like the baby blue?
Yeah. What one's better?
Okay, I want to see it. Wear it. Wear it.
This one?
You're right.
This one?
Yep.
Or?
I like that. I like that one.
Or this one?
I like that
Just
one.
go tight.
Both. Huh? That's all you want. Yan lang daw ang gusto niya dito. Wala siyang napili sa dami. Sak, there's a lot, Zachary. Hanap pa raw siya kasi may pupunta pa raw kami iba. Pero isa lang ang nakuha niya. That's a nice pants what she's wearing. What? Truck she got. Thank you.
What time do you use clothes today?
Look at the rain. Si Kuya, ang dami niyang nakuha dito. Thank you. Nag-thank you si Sakni. You got sa. So?
Right. There.
Yeah. There, under. Okay, go run, Baba.
I gotta do something.
What?
I'm trying this one.
Oh, nagtatry on na siya dito. In fairness sa akin, wala akong nakuha. Kahit isa. Very good.
When are we going to Harbour Town?
I'm not sure. I think we're going to Ashmore.
Yeah.
Ashmore.
Oh, yes.
Tingnan nyo naman yung ulan.
It didn't even say move.
Clear up here.
Wait, didn't we?
Pangit ng weather.
I swear we did.
Why did we go to that?
Sabi ni Sak, I don't like shopping when it's raining. Sabi ko, sino ba naman ang...
69.
Sino bang gustong nagsha-shopping na umuulan?
So I think it's this
Si Kuya.
next one.
It's only 10 minutes, she said.
Mom.
Yeah, let's just say it's right. So we go all the trees.
Ay,
and all
ganda!
that. Give me a look.
Ay, pretty!
Morgan,
It's
darling.
coming up. It's coming
Ang
up.
ganda!
It's coming up now. Turn right in the traffic lights.
Yeah, there it is. Look at it all.
Right here.
That's it.
This is Ashmore.
Look, just from there all the way up to there.
Yan, Ashmore Factory Outlets,
Mum,
ha?
Is out the back.
There's Roxy.
Roxy.
That's where all Holly shorts and that are.
Mhm.
Huh?
Ayan, Bento Bus. Oh, where is it na? The
It's Roxy, just closed.
the Captain's Candy,
Go
ayun.
somewhere where I can have a piss.
There it is,
Up this
Captain's
end.
Candy.
Doon na sila. Ay! Yeah?
So you go to the Billabong Girls.
Billabong Girls. And then,
Just fit under here.
yeah. Kasi girls and boys. Oh. But I wanna see, yeah.
Yeah, we'll go. You go there first.
Okay.
Molly.
Ito kasi si baby girl.
See if there's any shorts.
Gusto niya close sila sa one. Okay, go baba. Ah. Ayan, kinuha niya rin yung bag na green. Match doon sa sinukat niya. 40% sa kids. Dito raw yung mga bata. Ah, sila dyan. Billabong. Ayan. Excuse me, Han. Remove the zip. The zip for you. Okay. You should get bigger. That one's gonna be tight. Yeah, it's short. You have to get bigger. So, trackies. Ayaw niya ng trackies. Inis to si Sa. 40% dito. Ayan. Billabong. 40%. There's look similar sa. That's nice yan.
You've got to get you some pants. Got plenty of t-shirts. Got plenty. You haven't got jumpers.
Yeah, jumpers. Yeah. Kuya is the one like got a lot now. That's nice.
Inside.
It's alright. It looks nice. Yes. Get the try the other one.
Rizla, look at his belly.
Nice. Unit sack? Ayaw nila sa unit. 50% off dito. Yung iba 40. Oh, wait. Sack! Holly! Dito pumasok yung dalawang boys. What shop? J. Phillips. Walang nakalagay. You got kids? For girls? Rusty. It's alright. Ayan si Sak. Si Kuya meron na siyang nakuha din. What size is that? Look tight, Sak. You have to get big. Yeah, it's small. Kuya is good. That's good.
Check that.
Is that Rip Curl? Huh?
son?
Yeah.
Oh, I reckon it's a good judge.
So do I, mate.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Everyone's
I like
fine,
the
mate.
fun. Yeah.
Oh. Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you. Why are we gonna go here?